Hi ladies, welcome back. I know walking around your home is not enough for workout, so let's train with me glutes and legs. Very hard. Exercise number 1. Jimmy, can you give me the shirt? Okay, wait. Mine? Well, thank you. He doesn't need it anyway, no worries. So this I would call assistant pistol squat. Not nearly as heavy as the original, but perfect for people like you and me. This is really good for quads, this part. And it's not so hard on the knees either, as it would be without the shirt. Exercise number 2. So this is jump squat with a bit of assistance. Jump explosively, land softly, get gently down on the chair and jump again. It is filming in slow motion because it looks so much cooler. But if we look at it, how it really looks, this is the correct speed. Jump as high as you can. It is the explosiveness that will make the real difference here. The quads and glutes are targeted here, and with the bonus, it is a crazy good fat burning exercise. Let's see that slow-mo again. Okay, that's it. Exercise number 3. I got this hand up on doing hip thruster in this particular way, and the reason is really simple. It works. Feet together, legs apart. Squeeze your glute when you are on the top. And the movement must be slow and controlled. No explosive at all. Tell me you feel the bar. Just say it. This is really good for your glutes. Yep. And that is exactly why I love this exercise so much. So do a few extras. Come on. Exercise number 4. Cross one leg over the other. Push straight out with the heel you had on the chair until your body is in a completely straight line. Hold for a second and return slowly. Keep your hands out from your body so you can keep the concentration or pushing hard and not on your balance. Doesn't burn much? Well, it's supposed to if you want bigger and firmer glutes. So, discipline. Exercise number 5.
Hey, that was a wedding photo.
Somebody's here. I know, but let's you pretend we are out ice skating. This is for thigh, this is for glutes, this is for your entire lower body. And you know what? This is also one hell of a fat burner exercise, which always is a bonus, of course. Explosive jumps from side to side. Land soft, go down slow, and then, boom, building, firming, and burning in one. And when you can do even one more, keep going, shame. Squats, no weight, but with a lot of reps. It's just to go on and on here. Don't count. Think about something or sing a song in your head to stop you from counting. If you want those fair and turning legs, you better do it until you can't even stand up. Don't stop until your legs feel like overcooked spaghetti. Wow, this is very hard workout. And keep it up, girls. You can do it. Whew. You are probably home watching this, right? And you want a full home workout program. Then let's train together for 60 days. You and me. Let's train very hard and you can have this leg. No.